Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, this is unedited footage with the S20 Ultra camera. I'm going to show you the switch footage. Right now I'm filming with the selfie camera, and I'm going to switch right over to the front camera in just a few seconds. But this is a very, very cool way to film. So let's As you can see, I was kind of zooming in and out with the camera, and that you can do that live with this camera. That is so cool. And so right now I'm doing the selfie, and I'm going to go right back and take a look at the strain here. And so I'm hitting the switch button right here up on the camera. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that strain there. This is an awesome feature on the Galaxy S20 Ultra phone. You gotta check it out. I'm gonna have more videos for you. Make sure you check out my channel. And like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye.